Installing a flanged window plumb and level is easy to accomplish when you follow the right sequencing. Here's how. For alignment, mark top center of the rough opening and top center on the window flange. Then install shims at the sill pan to support the window. Next, apply a bead of sealant along the back side of the top and side flanges, leaving the bottom unsealed for drainage. Then seat the window on the shims in the rough opening. Tip into place and align the center marks. Then pin the upper corner by installing a single fastener and check for level. Adjust as needed by lifting or lowering the unfastened side to achieve level. To lock the position, drive a second fastener opposite the first and double check for plumb. Then continue fastening. This window, made by Andersen, recommends a fastener through every hole on all 4 sides. Then it's time for final flashing.